My name is Wade Wright. I am an assistant professor here in the Faculty of Law at Western University. My research and teaching interests lie principally in the area of Canadian constitutional law, but I also have research and teaching interests in administrative law, in Crown or government liability law, and law and sexuality. Recently, much of my work has been focused on federalism, or the division of powers, which is the aspect of Canadian constitutional law that speaks to which order or orders of government get to make the laws or decisions that impact our daily lives in so many different ways. For constitutional scholars, the conventional view has long been that the federal government has the exclusive, or at least the primary, jurisdiction to regulate interprovincial pipeline projects like the Trans Mountain Expansion Project. In recent years, though, we've seen a relatively new dynamic develop, which is that various provincial governments, municipal governments, and Indigenous governments have not only asserted the jurisdiction to regulate interprovincial pipelines, but indeed acted upon these assertions of jurisdiction in a variety of different ways. My research project is looking at what these assertions of jurisdiction have to tell us about the health and future of Canadian federalism and the role that Canada's federal system can play in contributing to a more just society, including for Indigenous peoples in Canada.